Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these super cute headbands and scrunchies with a bow. For a headband, you'll need two fabric of 14-inch long and 5 inches wide. Now I fold the fabric such that the inner side is towards you and stitch it across the length. Now take a safety pin and pin it to one end of the cloth. So this method will basically help us to move the fabric inside out. Repeat the same process for the other fabric too. Now take another fabric of 14 inches long and 3 inches wide. Now I fold it across towards me and stitch it in its length. Same way, invert it as the same process we did the last time. To make a knot for the headband, I have placed the first two fabrics in a cross manner and I'm folding it across such that it forms a knot. Just do this process carefully such that the lengths are equal, there's no difference between the lengths, and then stitch those two ends across. Once the ends of the bands are stitched, next I've taken an elastic of 7 inches length and then using a pin, I'm going to put this elastic into the smaller fabric. Secure both the ends of the elastic to the headband carefully. And there you have it. You can make such headbands using any waistcloth or smooth cotton fabric. It hardly takes around 10 to 15 minutes to make this beautiful headband, so do give it a try, guys. For the second DIY, all you're going to need is two fabrics, that is 20 inch long and 5 inches wide and 24 inches long and 6 inches wide. So first, to make a scrunchie, I have taken the second fabric, the smaller one, and I've stitched it across and inverted it. So into this I'll be putting in an elastic of 6 inches long using a pin. So to secure both the ends of the elastic, I am going to stitch both the ends. Once I'm done with that, same way I'll be stitching both the ends of the fabric together and taking off the extras. So now our scrunchie is ready. Now to make the tail of the scrunchie, I have taken the first piece of the fabric and folded it into half and then another half horizontally. Then cut it in the shape you want. I'm just eyeballing it. You can either draw it and then cut it out. Start on the folded edge, cut towards you and turn the scissors and go up almost to the very top of the material and then back down to the point. Now I will unfold the shape. This is how it looks like. Now all you need to do is just fold it into half and stitch it, leaving the gap in between. such that it forms a tail. Once that's done, using your fingers, you'll just have to invert the tail. Now secure the gap in between. Take the scrunchie and tie the tail where the stitches are seen. I prefer tying a double knot. And that's how you have it. We have a scrunchie with a bow or a tail, anything you can call. This will take you around 20 minutes. So do give it a try, guys. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to receive all the notifications of new videos.